In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a copy of your data in PayPal. If you ever need to download your personal data from PayPal for your records, privacy review, or account management, the process is fairly quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go so you can submit the request without any confusion. To begin, sign into your PayPal account and make sure you're on your main account page. Once you're logged in, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your account settings. After the settings page opens, look for the section labeled Data and Privacy. This is where PayPal keeps privacy-related account options, including tools that let you manage and request your personal information. Click on Data and Privacy to continue. On the Data and Privacy page, you'll see an option called Get a Copy of Your Data. Select that option to move to the request area. This is the section specifically designed for users who want to receive a copy of the information associated with their PayPal account. Once that page loads, look for the button labeled Raise a Request. Click on it to submit your data request. After the request is sent, PayPal will process it and send your data by email, typically within 24 hours. At this point, there's nothing else you need to do on the page unless PayPal asks you for additional confirmation. It's a good idea to keep an eye on the email inbox connected to your PayPal account. And if you don't see the message arrive, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. One helpful tip is to make sure your account email is current and accessible before submitting the request, since that's where your data copy will be delivered. Also, if you're using the mobile version of the site, the layout may look slightly different, but the same options should still be available under Settings and then Data and Privacy. And that's it. That's how to request a copy of your data in PayPal. Once you know where these privacy settings are located, the process becomes very easy to repeat anytime you need it.